Okay, everybody, we are going to do a March ipsy unboxing, unpacking, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this is the bag for March that I got in mail. First of all, I just want to say I think the bag is super cute itself. I'm going to be using this one for sure. I love using all my different bags. They're so unique. That's one good thing about ipsy. Oh, so cute. Okay. So the ipsy card this month is Create, which is really neat. Okay, so it says, I'm going to show you the card. It says, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe. Pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. Need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book-inspired glam bag. We've even included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you like. To help you unleash the artist within, share your creation on social media and tag at ipsy and at ipsycreate, hashtag ipsycreate, for a chance to be featured on ipsy.com. And for tons more info and everything you need to know about your 5 glam bag picks, head over to the Ipsy mobile app. We can't wait to see what you create. So this glam bag is for me to decorate with 2 markers. Look, yeah. Look how neat that is. They sent in 2 markers with it. That is so cool. Okay, so I got a pink pewter Splash and Swirl Professional Makeup Sponge. That's really neat. I am loving that. I'm going to give you my reviews on these products, of course, after I use them. True Flora Triple Action Exfoliator. Can't wait to use that either. I'm super excited about that. A Radial Glam Brow Precision Eyebrow Pencil. I love anything having to do with brows. They know me there. Ico London. Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume and curl definition. Lash Alert Mascara. Wake up and go. That is really neat. I love mascara. And then we got this. CoconutBalm.com. Universal Skin Salve. It's called Glossier. Wow. So we got my glam bag, an exfoliator, a skin glosser, mascara, a couple markers, a sponge, and a brow pencil. Again, I got to say, Ipsy, you did it again. Thank you for all these wonderful products, and I can't wait to review them. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.